Thank you for everything you do. You are the real hero. We love you, teachers.
Thank you for always being there for us.
ขอบคุณมากคุณครูที่สอนพวกเรา
感谢您让学习变得有趣。
The thing that I love and appreciate from my teacher is like the way he teaches and the skill that he gives to us, and he also shares some experience that he has when he was also study the same level as us.
His performing of teaching is incredible, and he gives good speeches to the class, and he keep pushing students forward.
She is very considerate, helpful, and caring.
He is the person that gives many advice to me, many good advice to me to be the good person and to be the good student.
Favorite memory in the class is when we go to the trip and do the project. The thing I love more to the teacher is when he teach us very well and he let us play game. On holiday, we usually have a small party, and it also like on a small event we also go together, such as field trip. We go together and we also enjoy and eat some breakfast or sometimes lunch together. When we went to field trip and some event and contest that I have joined was a great memory for me.
They show and tell and create a city on Mars.
Happy Teachers Day, I love you, Teacher Anna.
Happy Teachers Day. I love you, Teacher Celeste. I love you, Teacher Elizabeth. I love you, Teacher Sina.
Happy Teachers Day! I love you, Teacher Vincent.
I love you, Teacher Paul.
I love you, Teacher Lina. Teacher Nara.
Teacher Sunil. Teacher Haji. Teacher Louise. Teacher Milka.
Teacher Ratha.
Teacher Stephen.
Teacher Roy.
Teacher Dina.
Teacher Tida. Teacher Sokna.
老师龚黑
Teacher Samnang.
老师 Woodley.
Teacher Nalin.
Teacher Sonika. I love you, Teacher Lily. Teacher Srion. I love you, Abi. Teacher Ishi.
Teacher Saili.
I love you, Teacher Sion. I love you, Teacher Sion.
Teacher Nuôi Hồng.
Teacher Saiha. I love you, Teacher Joe.
I love you, teacher Jamila.
Happy Teachers Day! I love you, 老师介绍面。